How to leverage local schema markup to show star ratings in organic search results. If you want star ratings to appear in Google search results, adding schema markup alone isn't enough. It has to be done correctly. If you operate locally, use local business schema, not product or generic review markup. Inside it, include aggregate rating. This is what Google uses to generate star ratings: add rating value, review count, and best rating. But here's the key: those reviews must be visible on the page. Google verifies structured data against what users actually see. If the content doesn't match, you won't get rich results. Make sure your schema matches the visible content exactly, same rating, same numbers. Avoid overusing markup. Don't add ratings to every page. Focus on key pages like your home page or main service pages. Also, schema alone isn't enough. Your site needs credibility, indexed pages, consistent content, and real user engagement. Test everything using Google's Rich Results test. If it fails there, it won't show in search. Schema doesn't guarantee star ratings, but it significantly increases your chances when everything else is aligned. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.